All right, welcome to Product Tips with Richard. I'm just going to turn this on and get this. This is the new iPhone 17. Got it the other day. Just trading up, trading out. Old phones, we don't do anything special. We just get what we can afford because we can't afford the big super duper iPhone Pro, iPhone Max, blah, 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 all that. This will just be my first impressions. And, I'm an iPhone and we are an Apple people. That's just what we are. We're in the ecosphere. We got to stay in it because everything's so simple for us. It just from one device to the next. We have Macs. We have everything. We just got to stay with it. And sorry, old dog, new tricks. I cannot learn the new thing. I'm not going to. I don't have time for it. I've got to just be able to have my devices turn on and work the way I want them to work the way I'm used to them working. So now it's more about just staying with the same thing that works. For me, it works. So this is me box opening, and first impressions. So here we go. Here's the ASMR thing. Whoa. The kick that everybody gets. I don't know if I get it, but this is the Apple boxing. Always boxing in Apple is really cool. Really, really cool. All right, so here we go. I got the white because it was the only thing they had. They needed to deliver something yesterday. And so, of course, only comes with the cable. That cable looks longer. So that's the first impression right away. Looks longer than a typical. I do not know. Then they have the screen stuff. Ta-da. And they have something on the back, too. Do they? No, they don't. That is white. That's why I'm like, oh, I got the white. So they did not have anything on the back of it. That's cool. The things stick out quite a bit. I mean, it's like the old, I have the 15, I believe. So, yeah, cool for that. It's white. That's what the white looks like. My wife got the green because that's what they had. So we got what they had. So we can tell ours apart now. And then the cable, no, it does not. It looks longer, but it is not. Funny. They have, cabling. I like the new Apple cabling because it has this. It's like this really durable. I mean, honestly, this is cool for what it is because it is the durable cabling. Every other cable I get from other just off-brand, or I guess if you get an Apple cable, you get this, and it's this very durable cabling. So good for that. But you don't get the base. They don't give you a base anymore, so you got to go buy them. They're trying to save any way they can. And then just the normal. So you got the SIM card remover thing and the papers from every single language you can imagine, all in every single language. And then the box, and that's it. So let's go ahead and turn this bad boy on and see what it does. I mean, it does the same thing that every phone does, I guess, when you get it. So first impressions, it feels lighter. I mean, I have the 15, so this is lighter than the other. There's two buttons on this side, one for here, and this is like an inverted button. I don't know. That's interesting. That's new to me. So you got this, and we got the hello sign, hello, in every single language. Then you got two buttons over here, and a off button, a stop button, volume up and down, and then it's charged by about 75-80%, I guess. That's interesting. I wonder what that button does. I do not know. So we'll find out. All right. We're going to set it up. And, I mean, I think, I gave my impressions last time. I don't need to give any other impressions, guys. This is just a box opening. Honestly, iPhone is what it is. It's going to be brighter. The screen, from my last time, my screen was so bright, like it was magnificent. So this should be another improvement. This is 2 steps up for me. So I don't know. I'll maybe come back and do something after setup, but maybe not. I'm not even sure. This is just first impressions. I like this color, and there's a more roundedness to it. Just so you're aware, very almost like hard to. It's almost seamless, folks. But they have this here. I don't know why. Maybe just it's the seams. These are the seams of the metal around the edges. Very seamless. And I hope that this is matte. This is like a matte back, but I'm gonna have a UAG case on it, Under Armour gear case on it. It's gonna be awesome. I'm not in France. I wonder why I came to France. It's funny. Maybe it came from France, but we're in Germany. We ordered it in Germany. So let's see. Selecting language, and then it'll ask you to set it up. So that's first impressions. Lighter in the hand, thinner, and it's a little bit longer. I have a 15. The 15 I'm shooting on is a 15. I think for my eyes, I want at least medium, maybe large. Appearance, I could deal with medium probably. And looking for nearby devices. So I got to turn this off and start setting up from my other phone. All right. First impressions. It's an iPhone, you know. It's going to be smaller than a Max or a Pro. I think the Max is the Max bigger. I'm not sure about the specs, guys. You're asking the wrong guy. But it's gonna be cool. It's a little different. I think the phone I'm on, like I said, from a 15 to the phone camera sticks out a little bit more, but I got a case for that. You're gonna probably want a case for it to not scratch up and do damage to the camera. And in the hand, the matte feels cool. It feels cool. And in the hand, it feels lighter. It feels really, if you're a big phone person, then this is not going to be the one. I like the lightness. I like to not get something so bulky. So, all right, that's it. That's my first impressions. Cool. I like it lighter. I like it in the hand a little bit better. The colors and things look brilliant. I mean, it's probably, I don't know screen wise what the differences are from my 15 to this, but it's going to be better and brilliant, more brilliant. For me, the step up to the 15 was so brilliant. It was really shocking. And I like the cable. For me, this durable cable, I still have my original from the 15. It's really solid and durable. All right, so thanks for tuning in to Product Tips with Richard. Thanks for checking it out. Take care.